Which exercise bike is actually good for losing belly fat? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, GLYF Vibration Plate. The GLYF Vibration Plate caught my eye right away with its promise of full body workout for just $79.98. This machine claims to enhance your metabolism and can support up to 450 pounds. If you want a quick and effective way to lose belly fat from the comfort of your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The vibrating plate targets multiple muscle groups in just 10 minutes, so it's perfect for those of you who feel like there's never enough time in the day. With 130 levels of adjustable speed, you can tailor your workout to fit your intensity needs, whether you're looking for a gentle activation or high-intensity training. Plus, the Bluetooth feature lets you play music to keep your spirits up while you sweat it out. Now, some people complained about the machine being a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, it's not too loud, and if you're using it at home, it's usually just a background hum. For those in apartments, it might be slightly bothersome, but it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a way to enhance your home workouts without a huge time commitment. Skip this one if you prefer traditional cycling workouts or are concerned about noise in shared spaces. Now, if the GLYF's noise bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, YY-Fit 3-in-1 Exercise Bike. The YY-Fit 3-in-1 Exercise Bike coming in at $199.99. This bike really caught my attention with its adjustable features and wider seat. If you want a bike that grows with you and keeps you comfortable, this one deserves a serious look. What stands out here is the adjustable backrest and wider seat, which is 12.6 inches. That's a game changer for anyone who's faced discomfort while cycling. The luminous display is another brilliant feature, especially for those dimly lit rooms, so you can keep track of your progress without straining your eyes. With 16 levels of magnetic resistance, you can ramp up your workout intensity as your fitness improves. Now, I did find some reviews complaining about the assembly process. Here's the thing though. While it can take a bit of effort, the manual and step-by-step video make it pretty straightforward. It's a one-time hassle for a long-term investment in your health. This is perfect for you if you're new to working out or want a comfortable, adjustable bike that fits your changing needs. Skip this one if you prefer a more stationary, traditional bike setup or don't want to deal with assembly. It's a solid investment for your home gym. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for app connectivity.
Product number 3, Winokur Magnetic Resistance Bike. The Winokur exercise bike is priced at $199.99, and it really impressed me with its Bluetooth app connectivity. If you want a bike that syncs with your favorite fitness apps for a more interactive experience, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ability to connect with fitness apps means you can track your workouts in real time, helping you stay motivated. The ultra-quiet magnetic resistance is perfect for home use, ensuring you can work out anytime without disturbing others. Plus, with a 350-pound weight capacity, it's built for stability and durability, making it a safe option for various users. However, some users noted that the bike can feel a bit heavy to maneuver. Here's the thing though, the weight actually adds to its stability during workouts, so unless you plan to move it around a lot, it's not really a deal breaker. This bike is great if you're tech-savvy and want that extra push from fitness apps to keep you on track. Skip this if you prefer a simpler setup with fewer tech features. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about their fitness goals. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, the next product might be exactly what you need.
Product number 4, Momota Pedal Exerciser. The Momota Pedal Exerciser is a super affordable option at just $31.99. I was surprised by how versatile this little machine is. If you want something that's budget-friendly and perfect for low-impact workouts, this is worth checking out. This mini bike is designed for both legs and arms, which is perfect if you're recovering from an injury or just need something low impact. The adjustable tension makes it suitable for everyone, especially for older folks who might need something gentle to exercise with. The LCD monitor helps you track your time, count, and calories burned, making it easy to keep track of your progress. However, some users pointed out that it can wobble during intense pedaling sessions. Here's the thing though, for light exercise this isn't a problem, and you can always stabilize it with a bit of weight if needed.
This is perfect for you if you want something compact for home or office use, especially if mobility is a concern. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-intensity workout tool. It's a great value for low-impact exercise. And finally, we have a product that focuses on enhancing your workout experience without needing a full bike setup.
Product number 5, LMCOB Sauna Vest. The LMCOB Sauna Vest is priced at just $22.99, and honestly, it offers a unique way to boost your workout results. If you want to sweat more during your exercise sessions, this vest might just be what you're looking for. This vest is made of heat-trapping fabric, which means it helps you sweat more without needing intense cardio. Just wear it during your workouts and you can potentially achieve better results, especially for losing belly fat. The zipper design makes it easy to put on and take off, and the lumbar support is a nice touch to prevent injuries. Now, some folks mention that it can feel a bit tight, especially if you're not used to wearing something like this. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be snug to create that sauna effect, so it might take a little getting used to, but ultimately helps elevate your workout. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable way to enhance your workouts without investing in another piece of equipment. Skip this if you prefer a more comfortable, loose-fitting workout outfit. It's a budget-friendly addition to your fitness arsenal. So, there you have it. 5 great exercise bikes and accessories that can help you lose belly fat. Each has its unique benefits, so think about what fits your lifestyle best.
To wrap it up, we explored some fantastic options. The GLYF vibration plate for a quick full-body workout, the YY Fit 3-in-1 folding bike for adjustable comfort, the Weniker magnetic resistance bike for tech-savvy users, the compact Momota pedal exerciser for low-impact needs, and the LMCOB sauna vest to elevate your sweat sessions. Each has its strengths, so consider what suits your goals and space best. Thanks for watching.